Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the baby BOGG bag. All right, so we are officially into BOGG bag season, being the middle of summer when everybody brings back their BOGG bags. They pull them out to do all of the water activities. BOGG bags are awesome for anything outdoors that you have planned for sports, for the beach, for pool days, for park days, for boat days. The BOGG bag is really where it's at. So I want to talk today about this baby BOGG bag because I have had it now for a little over a year. I will put up here in the cards or down below if I remember my review that I did about a year ago now, comparing this one to the large BOGG bag that I have in navy, which I still have and love. It is in my garage. If you guys want to see kind of updated video on that one, let me know. But recently, especially, I've been getting a lot of requests on the BOGG bag and if I'm using it, ways to pack it up, but I've been asked about wear on them. So I thought today we would address all of those things, and then we are actually headed to the beach next week for our annual Anna Maria Island vacation. I'm certainly gonna be bringing my BOGG, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack up this baby BOGG and show you guys how I'm gonna be using it. All right, so number one question I get, especially because this is a white BOGG bag, how does the color hold up? Is there any like wear and tear with the bag and all of that? And I can absolutely say that it looks brand new after a year. Like, I mean, I wouldn't say brand new, but I haven't even really washed this bag. It is so great. You can easily just hose it out if you get it dirty. I have really used this size BOGG bag, especially even over my large navy one. I feel like with the ages that my kids are, this baby BOGG size is just a little bit more functional for me. My kids kind of carry their own water bottles, and so there's not really a need for that. So this just holds like all of the rest of the stuff. I don't feel like it's massive on my body to carry. I can carry it like an everyday type bag if we're doing something that is gonna be outdoors, and I don't feel like it's huge and massive. I just love the size of this one. I recommend it even over the large one. Again, it kind of depends on your needs and what you're gonna be using it for. If you need a big one to really pack all of the things, but the baby BOGG bag is a really fantastic size. Like I said, obviously have it in the white, and I don't have any discoloring on this bag. The bottom of it, like I said, I've never really washed it. I've just kind of wiped it down here and there. The bottom of it is like just kind of dirty a little bit from sitting on the floor of my car or my garage. Inside actually has a little bit of wear. I wouldn't call it wear, it's just dirt again that I need to clean out. There's something kind of down there at the bottom of it. It looks like somebody spilled maybe a snack or something sticky down there, but it is awesome. So as you can see, the white is a great color. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared of the light colored BOGGs. They really wipe up well, and they don't show a heck of a lot of wear over time. Another thing I like about the BOGG bag, especially if I'm gonna be traveling with it, say like on a road trip, or if I have it out somewhere, anywhere really, is that I can fold the top of these handles down and they won't be like flopping around. So I can set this on the floor in front of me if I'm in like, say, a chair or something and I'm at one of the kids' sporting events, or if I'm on the boat or whatever is happening, I can just set it down and put these straps down and be able to really grab everything that I need out of it really easily. So I love that about the BOGG bags. So I just recently went down this rabbit hole on Amazon on all of these BOGG bag accessories, and it's crazy how much stuff has come out to accessorize these bags, especially for the large size. I feel like there's a little bit more for the large size. Like there's these really cool dividers that you can put in there, make kind of like almost a tray on top of the BOGG. It is so cool. There's so much stuff. But I did grab kind of recently these little hooks for the BOGG bag, which is really cool. I'll show you those more up close whenever I kind of pack it up. But Amazon is where it's at. There's little charms you can put on it. There's holders for your cell phone, and there's There's so much. I spent way too long researching stuff for the BOGG bag the other day, but tons and tons on there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down, pack this BOGG up, and show you how I'm gonna be carrying it next week. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I am really excited about the way that I've packed up this bag. I can't wait to use it on our upcoming trip. It's like a fun game of Tetris when you have a BOGG bag, kind of placing everything in here so it's really easy to get out, and I think it's packed pretty perfectly. So let me show you what I have inside. I have obviously these straps just kind of folded down so that we can see everything that's inside of here really easily and I don't have to kind of worry about them. I have nothing on the outside really of this bag. I have some things on order from Amazon that I think I'm going to add to it, but there's nothing on this side. Over here on this side, I do have one of these little clips that I mentioned that I got off of Amazon, and the only thing I have attached to it right now are hair ties because my daughter and I constantly are needing them and looking for one, especially in the summertime. You can hang so much on these though, pretty much anything. Sunglasses would be another really good one to kind of put out here. You could even do like a water bottle if you had it on like a carabiner or something, but that's all I have right now as far as attachments to the outside of my bag. Looking here at the inside, I'll kind of just start pulling everything out and going through what I have in here. All right, so just like on the outside of the bag here, I have two more of these little clips inside the bag. So you can attach them obviously inside or outside. Attached to this one here, I just have a small MZ Wallace link pouch. And inside here, I just have my earbuds and the charging cable for them. So they're really easy for me to grab if I need them. Over here on this opposite little clip, I actually have my wallet attached to it through the little ring on my wallet. And this is a Andar dinner wallet. I have my ID here on the back. There's a place for cards in the center. You guys have seen this wallet from me a ton. It's one of my favorites, especially in the summertime. It's just really easy and lightweight. Has a leather wristlet attachment here, and I could easily attach this to like the wristlet if I wanted to, but I wanted it a little bit shorter, so I just attached it to the ring right there. Super easy for me to grab if I need my keys or anything like that. The only other thing that I have attached to the bag, if you will, is this small little pouch that came with the BOGG bag. I'll take it off here just so you can kind of see what I have in it a little bit easier. I have a vinyl sticker here on the front that just has my initials, and inside here I put things that I need to grab for quickly. Like this acts as an outside pocket to the bag, if you will. And I just have my hand sanitizer, chapstick, some Excedrin, a pen, and some gum. So it's like a little quick grab pocket, if you will. All right, now you can see everything I have inside without those attachments. Down here I have the book that I'm reading. I'm almost done with it. It has been so good. It's been distracting the past couple days because I can't get anything done because I've been reading it like crazy. It's the Lucy Score Things We Never Got Over. I'm almost done, so this will probably be the last video you guys see this book in, but I had it laying horizontally there at the bottom because it made the perfect little spot for it with that pouch there on top of it, so it fit perfectly underneath there. Right next to it I have my Erin Condren notebook, which acts as my planner, my note taker, all of that. One side of it has notebook paper and the other side has a little priorities and notes section that I use for a calendar, so I have that there. And then right here next to it, the last thing that I have kind of on this side of the bag is a pouch by Ken's Customs. This is a newer brand to me and I'm really liking these pouches. I've already ordered some more. I do have a discount code I'll put somewhere here or in the description box so that you guys can check it out if you're interested, but you can customize these however you want. This one says travel. The pouches have little pearls on top of them. It's clear, but you can really put anything that you want. Different colors, of course, different sizes, shapes. Inside here, I have a bunch of games for my kids, Yahtzee, flashcards for my youngest. I have decks of cards, Uno, just like a little on-the-go, I don't know, activity pouch, if you will. So I have that in there. Then all we have left is two more pouches and they fit perfectly, just kind of right down in there. This one here is a MZ Wallace pouch, and inside of it I just have small things for me. I have my hair clip, I have tissues, my external phone charger. I also have some more lip products, more hair ties, Tide to Go pen. In this little zipper pouch I have post-it notes for my Erin Condren notebook and my Apple AirTag. I also have pens and highlighters, so all of that kind of goes down in here. And then last but not least is another little pouch from Ken's Customs, and this is actually my favorite one. I customized it with just some airplanes here for travel, but obviously you can put anything you want on the outside. It is just the perfect size. I love the little clips kind of down here on the side. There's a bunch of different colors. Like I said, I've already ordered some more because I really, really like them. But inside here, I actually just have snacks for me and the kids. In the summertime, all the traveling we've been doing, not having enough snacks has been probably one of my downfalls. So I have added a snack pouch into the mix of bags from here on out. So inside here, it really is like the perfect pouch for granola bars and beef sticks and crackers and you name it, it's in here. I could actually probably fit more than what you're seeing in here now. So that's what I had inside this one. And that's everything I have inside this BOGG bag. You can kind of see it empty. And I need to kind of clean up the bottom of it there, but you guys get the idea. It packs up so well. I'm excited to use it again. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that wanted some more info on the baby BOGG bag style and wanted to see how it holds up after a year and kind of a updated way that I am packing it. I hope it answered a lot of your questions. If you have any questions or need an opinion or anything like that, feel free to leave it down below or shoot me a message. I will have links to anything that I can find of what I shared today in the description box or pinned at the top of the comments. Until next time, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye.